Alright, this is the view leaving the Y101. Raining and windy, of course. Look, there's a little tree branch down right there. Nothing major. The road is a mess. Oh boy, what's all that underneath my car? Stuff down on the road, that's for sure. It'll make your limbs unless you run a homo in it. You'll be able to get around up here. I may have to turn around and go another way. Stuff down there. Check on Jackie Jones Field, home of the Toombs County Bulldogs. No game today. Yeah, Booster Stadium is A-OK. Goalpost still intact. Sweaty press box still there. Concession stand isn't going anywhere. Trees are swaying. Bulldogs will be back here in a couple of weeks playing the Bacon County Raiders. Dogs are 3-0. Driving into the city of Lions. Some rain and some wind, nothing bad. Nothing seems to be open. No food today. Trees swaying. Uh-oh. Stuff on the ground over there. Whoa, look at all the rain and the water on 280. More standing water. Doesn't look good. Looks bad. Driving into Vidalia with a lot of heavy rain. Never make these lights. So if anything's going to flood around here, it's going to be these ponds. Ponds are full. Not ready to flood yet. Pond. Not across the road. That's good. Now, since we checked on Booster Stadium, we might as well check on the home of the Indians, since the Bulldogs will be here on October 27th. I think there's some trees, or parts of trees, down at Buck Cravey Field. See if the field is still here and the dogs can still come over here and play. Yep, the field's still here, although I think the Tennessee Vols garbage can got separated from itself. Yeah, that's the same garbage can that was in Atlanta. Yeah, that's it. It blew down here, I guess. See if the field's okay and the Bulldogs can come over here and I'm not going to say it because somebody, a person may be watching this. Beat the Native Americans. Yep, feels okay. No game today though, too wet. Butch Jones, you need to come get your garbage can. Coach Jones, there it is right there.